Shark Stratos AV2700ZE review. Hands-free cleaning that actually works.
You're rushing out the door for work, catching a glimpse of your kitchen floor scattered with dried cereal spills and golden retriever hair. Just yesterday, you spent 20 minutes scrubbing a stubborn coffee stain only to wake up to another mess this morning. A neighbor spotted you on your knees mopping at 10 p.m. last night, and you felt that sting of embarrassment. Chores don't have to take over your life. Raise your hand if this daily grind feels all too familiar.
Every night, you sink into the couch already dreading tomorrow's mopping and vacuuming. Sticky residue clings to your tile, pet hair weaves into your rug, and dust quietly triggers your allergies, each layer of mess adding to a growing sense of burnout. One friend even skipped her kid's soccer game just to clean the floors. That's not living. There is a better way to reclaim your weekends without giving up a clean home. Don't settle for just any robot vacuum and mop. Choose one with a never-touch self-cleaning base so you can forget about daily bin emptying and dirty mop pads altogether. The Shark Stratos 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop AV2700ZE is built to do exactly that. It delivers up to 30 days of hands-free cleaning with automatic emptying, refilling, and mop pad washing and drying. Sonic mopping scrubs hard floors 100 times per minute, while LiDAR navigation maps your home with precision, and auto-lift technology keeps your carpets protected. One busy marketing manager shared how she nearly missed a client deadline because she was stuck cleaning mop pads. Now the Stratos takes care of everything while she focuses on her work. No more dirty pads. Try it for a week and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Next, let's see how it performs over time. After 3 months of daily use, the Shark Stratos AV2700ZE blends seamlessly into your routine, like an invisible helper keeping your floors consistently clean. Maintenance becomes an afterthought. A smart home expert noted, "This is the most complete hands-free system I've tested. Its never-touch base sets a new industry standard." A pet owner added, "It lifts my German Shepherd's hair from every surface, and the HEPA filter has cut my allergy symptoms in half." While some hesitate at the upfront cost, the 60-day bin capacity and absence of proprietary bags help reduce long-term expenses. Thousands of busy families and pet owners are already replacing traditional mops with this solution. It's a true shift in how cleaning gets done. Imagine what you could do with 5 extra hours every week. Join the growing community reclaiming their time without sacrificing clean floors.
The Shark Stratos AV2700ZE Robot Vacuum and Mop is more than a cleaning tool. It's an investment in your time and peace of mind. Thousands of professionals, pet owners, and families are already enjoying up to 30 days of hands-free cleaning. Results may vary depending on your home's size and level of mess, but most users report noticeable time savings. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to learn more. Your weekends are waiting. Experience the freedom of automated floor care today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.